Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. So I'm going to explain to you what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to mix up some resin, and then we're going to do the next step for this, and then we're going to draw for that mold. I totally got sidetracked yesterday and totally forgot about it, but that is normal for me. Okay, so this is the giant turtle mold from Julie Cuts. I've had it for a while. I just hadn't figured out what I wanted to do with it. So when I was making all of these pieces in that marine mold, you know, with the octopus and the starfish and the seashell and all that stuff in it. Well, one day when I had extra resin, I poured white resin. I poured white in the molds, and then I poured clear on top of them. Well, it turned out really good as far as those pieces, and then I used gold on them, and I thought, oh, okay, I got it. I'm going to use a gold and a white theme for this turtle. Well, I have a ton of seashells and coral and all kinds of stuff that I got from my sister. And so I went digging through all of that, and I found some really unique pieces. And so I poured the first clear layer, nothing in it, just clear. And then on top of that, I did the octopus and that piece and this piece and then this piece back here, and then I let that cure, and then the next layer I added the coral and a few more seashells, seashell there, and the starfish, and then I poured another layer, and then I added this shell, and I think that's all I did. But anyway, this is about 4 pours. And so now I'm on this next pour, and what I want to do is get it poured all the way up to the top of his shell, and and then get his head full. And I may need to tip this way to get his head full, because this is really close to being full back here. So, but from this point forward, I want to mix a little bit of gold leaf in it for this last layer. And then once that is cured, then for his fins, I'm going to use white rock. So as you can see, I've got a theme of white and gold going on here, and so that's what I want to do. So that is my plan. And so I've already put these, I put this coral and then the mermaid tail in his head. So I'm really hoping that this comes out really good, because it's what I envisioned in my head. Hopefully it comes out and it looks really cool. So I'm going to get some resin mixed up, and we're going to get this next layer poured, and hopefully I can get that part filled up. Okay? All right. I'll be right back. Okay. Here we go. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to have to bend it forward because it needs to get down inside that head versus coming up here in his little tootsies. So I need to find something to elevate his little bottom with into his paws too. Okay, I'll figure that out. I'll get it elevated, and we'll be back when it's time to fill these, and then Yeah. So let me get that done. Then I'll come back and we'll draw for this mold. Okay? All right. BRB. Okay, guys. Here we go. Well, let's see who wins this mold. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Moo Min Char. You are the winner of the rose mold box. So I need you to email me your name, first and last, your address. My email address is resinmeup23@gmail.com. So congratulations, Moominchar. I don't know how that's pronounced. Hopefully I'm not killing it. So there you go. There's the winner for the rose mold box. All right, guys. We'll see you on the demo or the actual next step of the giant turtle. Okay? All right. Bye. Hey, guys. Welcome back. So this is ready for, I'm hoping, the last layer. So I got it all tilted up the other direction. I had to use chunks of wood and you name it, I had to use it. So I've got my resin mixed up here, and I've got the rock in it. I mixed in the white, and then I also used opal iridescent as well. So I'm going to dig in here and get some of those out first to get those down here in the bottom, and then we'll add to that. So that's all the rocks. So I'm going to let that settle for a minute, and then I'll go in and make sure, whoops, I have enough resin poured on top of it. And I may add some more rocks to it, because right in here looks a little low. I'll let that settle for a minute and go from there. All right, guys, we'll be back on demold. Bye. Hey, y'all. So the turtle is done. I got it out of the mold because I wasn't sure how much it was going to take to get it out. So, and believe it or not, it wasn't that hard, but I haven't looked at it yet, I promise. So we're going to look at it together. So, I'm nervous. I did get a few bubbles underneath his neck right here, but I anticipated that. But everywhere else looks really good. So, are you ready? Cross your fingers. Let me move something out of the way here, because I'm sure hopefully, let's just move you guys over here. How's that? There. Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh. It's beautiful. I love it. You can see everything down in that shell. Oh my gosh, look. You can see the seahorse, you can see the octopus, you can see the little mermaid tail, all the shells, and there are a few bubbles down inside there, but that's okay because it's underwater, right? Not anything major. The only thing I can't see, well, I can kind of see it, and that is the coral piece that I put in there, but it was kind of clear, so, but good thing I outlined it in gold because you wouldn't be able to see it at all. But oh, it's so cute. I should have turned the seahorse this direction, but I was working on it upside down, so, but I think I got everything else in there really good. And I did the octopus this way on purpose because I wanted it to look like he was swimming out from underneath his head. Oh, I love it. So now what I want to do is I want to do this around here in gold, and then, like I said, I couldn't figure his eyes out because I couldn't see them in there. And it doesn't look like they're much of an indentation, but at least next time I'll know where they're at. But my goodness, is that not pretty or what? Okay, so gold. His tail came out perfect too. So surprised. Usually the tails don't come out for me. And I know you're going to ask me how much resin this takes, and I didn't write it down because I did it in so many steps. I just know that the last 2 steps took 28 ounces. Okay, now I'm going to use my other one because it's rounded. And I am just going to go around here. Just this bottom. Just like that. Now, oh, I need to figure out what I'm going to do with his eyes, if I should do his eyes black. Or if I just want to leave them clear. And then I might go in with like a marker, like a different color marker for his iris. But yeah, that is so cool. Love, love, love it. What do you guys think? I wanted to leave this open. I didn't want to put gold around it, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I leave it or should I gold it? Oh, gosh. So, actually, let me just bring you down so you can look at it that way. And I think my phone's about ready to die, so let me get this real quick and then I'll get pictures and put it at the end of the video for you guys. Okay guys, that's it. Let me get pictures, put it at the end of the video, and We'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know what you think in the comments of whether I should leave this clear or should I put gold on it. Okay? All right, y'all. Catch you tomorrow for the next video. Take care. Bye.